Corruption is a serious threat to our nation. It undermines service delivery, weakens public policy, compromises the public interest, and erodes our institutions, depriving the government of capacity to secure the country and deliver development. Corruption endangers all of us, both individually and collectively. We are working on a series of amendments to present to Parliament aimed at promoting accountable leadership and integrity in governance. Among these is the proposal to the Evidence Act and the Criminal Procedure Code, along with other relevant legislative updates to statutes concerning corruption. These amendments will expedite the investigation and prosecution of corruption and economic crimes, ensuring that such cases are concluded within 6 months. I made this commitment, and the Attorney General is seized with the necessary work that will go into us engaging Parliament on the amendments to achieve this aim. Additionally, we will propose amendments to the Witness Protection Act to revamp the statutory and institutional framework for protecting and incentivizing whistleblowers. These changes will enhance witness protection and make it easier and safer for citizens to report corruption and other criminal activities. We will also be proposing amendments to the Public Finance Management Act and the Public Procurement and Disposal Act. The goal here is to overhaul the institutional and operational framework of public procurement, which is the biggest challenge that we have. In fact, it's correct to say this is where the devil actually lives, which has been identified as a key area of corruption, conflict of interest, and abuse of office in the public sector. These amendments aim to deploy digital infrastructure to create an open, transparent public procurement platform, allowing real-time, end-to-end public visibility of the entire process, from advertisement to contract award. I have engaged with parliamentary leadership and urged Parliament to swiftly pass the Conflict of Interest Bill. I am told there is a mediation process that is going on in Parliament, but I have told them with clarity that I will veto any bill that does not establish a high standard of accountability, integrity, and anti-corruption measures, and I will fully exercise my powers under Article 115 of the Constitution to ensure that the bill meets the rigorous standards set out in the original draft bill. Because some amendments had been introduced to water down what the original bill envisaged. We must do everything within our power to end corruption in every organization, at every level of government, and across all regions of our republic. To this end, everyone entrusted with public authority must be held to high standards of transparency and accountability. Parliament and all stakeholders must work together to strengthen the anti-corruption legal framework, ensuring the swift resolution of corruption cases. We must also foster partnership to raise public awareness of Chapter 6 of the Constitution, integrate anti-corruption education into school curriculum, and support grassroots organizations and citizen action groups in promoting good governance at every level.